Hello YouTubers, this is my very first video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a snake with your hands. Okay, well here's your hands, of course. Okay, well you take your pinky and your ring finger, and you put it between your other pinky and ring finger. See? Put it like that. Then you take this finger, take your middle finger, and you put it over the ring finger that you put in. Put it over, but not over your pinky. As you see. I don't know if you see it. Okay. And then you take your middle finger on your left hand and you put it, you can do this on your right hand if you want, but I'm doing it on my left. You take your middle finger on your left hand, you put it over your pinky. See, there's my pinky. Put it over. Then you take your pointer finger and you put it behind. See? You put it behind. You just take your thumbs, you put them down. And I did something wrong for a second. There's a snake.